Father's bones. How many of my father's bones have passed through these doors, I do not know. Centuries continue to be counted, unnoticed. What has survived since time began continues to stand. Stone upon stone, bone upon bone, father upon father. I stroll these cobblestone streets of Villa Longa, inhaling the mountain breezes that deliver the scent of dinners cooking in wood stoves, in stone kitchens. I view the walls of stone that spawn the shelters that protect the progeny of Roman fathers to this day. I have stepped these streets before. I have dwelled within these walls. I have been constructed from the bones, from the stones of my fathers' fathers' fathers.